Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Oluchi and welcome to Drinks and More. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very popular cocktail, which is the margarita. So in this version, I'll be making the mocktail, that is to say without the alcohol, the non-alcoholic version. So for this recipe, I'll be needing first my lime juice, orange juice, freshly squeezed. Please take note, it has to be freshly squeezed if you want that authentic flavor. Lemon juice. I have my margarita glass, my triple sec, non-alcoholic triple sec syrup, and then my cocktail jar. So my cocktail shaker. So let's quickly jump into this recipe. So I'll be taking 1 ounce of lime juice. I'll pour in my shaker 1 ounce orange juice, 1 ounce lemon juice, 1 ounce triple sec, and I'll also be adding my sweetener of choice, which is my simple syrup. So I'll add 1 ounce as well of simple syrup. Usually for a margarita, you usually rim the lid of your glass with lemon and some salt or sugar, but personally I don't like the flavor of the salt or the sugar getting into my drink. So for this recipe, I'm just going to do it, without rimming the glass. So I'm going to go ahead, add some ice in my shaker. My hands are clean. Close my shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds vigorously. I'm going to go ahead and add some ice in my glass. And then I'll go ahead and pour the drink in the glass. Wow, this looks good. And I'll go ahead and garnish with a wheel of a lime. All right guys, here we have it. Behold your margarita. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as this will enable YouTube recommend us to other channels and also support our growth. Bye guys.